Have you ever wondered how to make your DIY projects look as precise and refined as if they were made by a professional? In this video, I'll reveal a list of genius new tools on Amazon for every professional that you may never have seen before. These are next-generation tools that will take your personal projects to another level. Hilti Nuren Cordless Concrete Nailer. The Hilti brings a cleaner approach to direct fastening by combining cordless convenience with intelligent monitoring features. Instead of spending time diagnosing problems manually, users can rely on LED indicators and Bluetooth-assisted troubleshooting through the Hilti app. Adjustable nail depth improves fastening accuracy, while compatible magazine options increase versatility across different applications. Consistent battery-powered performance makes it well-suited for high-volume installations where mobility matters. Whether you're working on concrete or structural fastening, this professional tool is priced at around $900. Milwaukee's Jigsaw. If you've ever struggled to keep your cut line visible through a cloud of sawdust, Milwaukee's M18 fuel barrel grip jigsaw solves that hassle completely. Built with an onboard dust blower and an integrated vacuum attachment, this saw clears debris continuously so you can focus on clean lines. The brushless drivetrain delivers a versatile range of 800 to 3,500 strokes per minute, backed by an auto-sensing mode that prolongs runtime. Dual side-mounted power switches make it equally comfortable for left or right-handed woodworkers tackling angled cuts up to 45 degrees. At roughly $200, it's a brilliant addition to any job site. Cordless electric scissors. Opening packages all day or trimming thick materials by hand can quickly become tiring. And that's exactly where these compact electric scissors shine. Instead of relying on hand strength, the 4-volt cordless motor delivers consistent cutting power at 260 revolutions per minute, making quick work of cardboard, gift wrap, plastic sheets, flower stems, and even light carpeting, up to 1/4 of an inch thick. Its ergonomic handle helps protect your hand from rubbing against rough surfaces, while the self-sharpening blade minimizes maintenance. USB charging and a lightweight design of 1.04 pounds make it easy to keep nearby. Whether you're in the workshop or crafting at home, expect to pay around $36. Milescraft Hinge Jig. Installing cabinet doors often turns into a nightmare of misaligned screw holes and uneven gaps. The Milescraft Euro Hinge Jig solves this by taking the guesswork out of mounting standard concealed hinges. With its built-in depth-setting fixtures, you can instantly set the precise cup depth on the included 35mm Forstner bit without reaching for a ruler. Its metal bush drill guide locks firmly into place, ensuring clean, perpendicular holes every single time. DIYers tackling kitchen upgrades will love how fast it speeds up repetitive door prep. Precision cabinet work just got a whole lot more accessible for under $28. Inbot. Drill bits slipping during hinge cup installation can easily ruin an expensive piece of finished cabinetry. Inbot solves this frustration by integrating powerful magnetic positioning blocks directly into the jig to eliminate unwanted movement. That magnetic grip holds the fixture flush against the metal hardware, allowing you to accurately drill 35mm cup holes and pilot mounting screws without holding things manually. Constructed from high durability ABS, this dual mode jig also helps set uniform cabinet door spacing on the fly. DIYers upgrading their kitchen storage will find this tool immensely helpful. Precision cabinet joinery feels effortless at a comfortable price of $28. Heavy-duty knee pads. Kneeling on harsh concrete or jagged gravel for hours can cause lasting joint strain and ruin your productivity on the job. The GrenPro heavy-duty knee pads are engineered to cushion your joints and protect your legs during demanding construction tasks. Their defining feature is an extra thick layered gel core combined with high-density EV, a foam that absorbs heavy impacts without flattening over time. Non-marring heavy-duty PVC outer shells glide over rough surfaces without leaving scratches on freshly laid tile or wood floors. Adjustable hook and loop straps, along with 7-inch extension straps, keep them securely anchored above and below the knee. Floor installers and roofers will find these indispensable for long shifts on unforgiving surfaces. Comfort on the job site does not have to be expensive at roughly $22. Cut-resistant work gloves. Losing your grip on oily parts or thin lines while handling sharp tools is a fast track to accidental hand injuries. The Toolant Comfy Cut. A 3-glove prevents slip-ups by combining high-level tactile sensitivity with reliable NSI, certified cut resistance. Its primary innovation is a soft 15-gauge metal Q knit that moves naturally with your fingers, trimmed down to be 25% lighter than traditional steel wire gloves. The textured sandy nitrile palm maintains a firm hold in wet or dry environments, and built-in touchscreen capability means uninterrupted workflow. Small shop owners and field technicians will love this balance of utility. A 12-pair bundle comes in at around $77. Spark plug gap. Accidentally closing a spark plug gap too far often means prying the electrode back open and risking permanent fracture. The QY Universal Gapping Tool eliminates that risk by allowing you to dial in your precise clearances using a smooth, threaded press block. The system's key highlight is its dedicated slot system for standard 10mm through 16mm threads, keeping the plug square during adjustment. Accompanied by a 32-blade feeler set measuring between 0.0015 and 0.035 inches, it delivers shop-grade accuracy straight out of your home garage. Backyard mechanics doing routine tune-ups will appreciate the error-free operation. Professional engine maintenance stays completely accessible at roughly $16. Mud mixer. Achieving a consistent slump when mixing multiple batches of stucco or concrete manually can feel almost impossible on a busy job site. The mud mixer solves this inconsistency by continuously blending material and water right as it moves down the chute. The star feature is its fully adjustable water input valve, which lets you fine-tune hydration levels on the fly without stopping production. Backed by a heavy-duty, high-strength steel body, a 1/2 horsepower drive system, and a wear-resistant steel auger, this machine handles tough bagged materials without breaking a sweat. It is an exceptional asset for masonry crews and DIYers tackling large patio slabs. Bringing industrial-level mixing speed to your crew runs about $3,200. Double paddle electric cement mixer. Mixing thick cement or mortar by hand can quickly become exhausting, especially when you need a smooth, consistent blend. This double paddle electric mixer tackles that problem by using 2 counter-rotating paddles that move more material with each rotation, helping eliminate unmixed pockets while improving efficiency. Its 15-amp motor delivers up to 120 Nm of torque, while variable speed control and soft start technology keep splatter under control from the very beginning. Comfortable soft grip handles and a lock-on switch make long mixing sessions easier for contractors, remodelers, and serious DIYers. At around $150. Pole saw and mini chainsaw. Wobbly ladders and handsaws turn high branch trimming into a dangerous weekend chore. iMumLive addresses this safety concern with a telescoping pole saw that extends your reach up to 14.5 feet directly from the safety of the ground. The key feature is a 180-degree adjustable pivoting head paired with a 10-inch guide bar, allowing you to slice through dense limbs without straining your arms. Equipped with a tool-free chain tensioner and an automatic oiler, its 1,000-watt brushless motor keeps cutting smoothly through up to 60 minutes of runtime. It excels for suburban homeowners needing routine tree maintenance. High-reach trimming safety comes easily at roughly $80. Masca M2 PRO. Plastic pocket hole guides can flex under pressure, leading to crooked pilot holes and weak structural joints. Masca engineered the Pro M2 with a well-balanced all-aluminum frame to provide a rock-solid, flex-free base for heavy carpentry tasks. Its defining feature is an integrated depth-setting knob that simplifies tool adjustments when switching between thin panels and thick hardwood. Accompanied by a stop collar, step drill bit, hex key, and a built-in track slot, it delivers accurate, repeatable angle cuts with minimal setup time. It excels for home renovators assembling custom kitchen cabinets or bookshelf units. Reliable woodworking joinery becomes a breeze. At roughly $100, door hinge jig. Measuring and carving out latch pockets by hand is one of the most error-prone tasks in interior carpentry. The Vorhixa Combo Kit eliminates that hassle by providing built-in router templates for your hinges, knobs, and latch plates in one package. Its primary feature is the dual-sided silicone pad mounting system, which prevents tool slippage while protecting delicate wood surfaces. Accompanied by a full hole saw set, router bits, and support for 1/4 inch and 5/8 inch radius hinges up to 5 inches long, it guides every cut with mechanical accuracy. Handyman and property managers will appreciate the reliable consistency across multiple installations. Flawless hardware alignment comes in at around $55,